Hey guys, this is my attempt at making flaxseed gel and the results at the end. So we're going to start with putting 2 cups of water in a pot, following that a half cup of flaxseed in a pot. You're going to bring them to a boil, and once it comes to a boil, you're going to often stir the pot, just so what you're making won't get stuck. Once you get to a boil, you're going to continue to stir and continue to let it boil until it gets white and frothy. At this point, we're almost there to the point that we want it to be in. That's looking more like it. Now at this point it's looking real good. We're about ready to turn off the stove, so you can let the gel simmer and become a little thicker. At this point, this gel is looking really good. The consistency is looking really well. It said that it should be like the white part of an egg. So I was ill-prepared, so I went to the store, and instead of finding a stocking sock, I found some strainers that I wanted to try. Since that didn't work, I felt like I could use a spoon to press the gel through. Fail. We're bringing this back to life. We're picking up where we left. Then I tried to transfer it to the bigger strainer. Yeah, the bigger strainer. And I was going to use a smaller one to just press it through. Did not work. So I have to try something else. Through this whole thing, I was literally sweating, trying to figure things out before it cooled down too much. So I found some stockings in my room out of panic. I love these stockings so much. These tights. And I really hate that I had to destroy them. But at the time, the flaxseed gel was worth it. So all I'm doing is just emptying it out into the stocking, of course. Yeah, you thought that was going to just fall in there, because at this point it's just been sitting there for a minute while I've been trying to figure out things. I recall the past again tonight. Fail again. As I fall apart, you begin to cry. The tears are making you blind. The future's far away, but I will stay. Can run from what I feel inside. There's no more time to hide, because I feel again. I thought these tights were going to be just a surefire way of getting this gel into this jar, but maybe the tights that I tried the holes weren't big enough, so I am struggling so much trying to get the gel from out of the side. while you're doing it, it feels like snot is just like all over your hands. I turned this way just so you guys can get a better look at things, since I saw that it wasn't showing too well in the beginning.
Can we try to fight against the grain of throwing out what we made? The future's far away, but I will stay, because I feel again, I feel again, oh now I feel again, we're bringing this back to life.
So after all that work, that's all that came out. Breaking news. This stuff, this flaxseed gel that I just made is crack. It is my new crack. My new addiction. I never tried crack. But this, oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Doing that, I feel a curl just like going back and forth. I have never. I know I said that I was going to be trying new products and everything during this month. I was imagining that I was going to find a product inside the store that I was going to like. I didn't know that I was going to make my own, and I love that more than the ones that I found in the store. Oh my gosh. This is no hype either, because if only you guys could see me whenever I was putting it on. It was too late to film because I was already having my reactions. But even just putting the flaxseed oil on my curls, you could tell like my curls reacted. Like they reacted to this flaxseed oil, this flaxseed gel. I'm satisfied. I'm sold. I mean, I was looking on the website earlier, you know, while I was making it, so I can make sure I was making it right. And then I looked at the reviews before then, and I would see people saying like, I love it. It was worth making. And let me tell you, this is pretty much all that I got made. That's it. Like, you can see it jiggle a little bit. And I had to put some elbow grease in that thing whenever I was making it. But this was worth all the sweat that that you just watched. It was worth it. I want to continue buying flax seeds and making my own flaxseed gel. I might try new products just for the fun of it, but this stuff, this is my stuff, just so y'all know. But thank you for watching. Thanks for subscribing, new subscribers. For you guys who are watching, please like this video. And if you're not subscribed, please make sure that you go and subscribe. Thank you. Y'all have a good day or a good night, whichever it is where you are.